Hello, lovely people of Ghana. It's all about Grandpa One TV. Please, we want you to subscribe, share, comment, and like our videos on YouTube. We plead with you to watch it every day, every night. We want you to enjoy the best of all. Grandpa TV 1, the best.
The idea.
Open the door! Police!
Master, no.
Hey, I am CID officer.
So, Pepper 1.
Yes, Pepper 1.
Pepper, we. I am by my dear Sam.
Stop!
Shifo.
Are they?
Hey. Be gentle, human rights. Be gentle. Listen. We are not here for jokes.
I am joking with you.
I said we are not here for jokes.
I'm not joking with you. You are mad. Look at you.
Silence.
You call yourself CID.
Yes.
And now, my
Call your brother. He has impregnated.
You traveling to a
What? Impossible. Thank you, sir. Go and call your brother. Hey, Mr. Shifo.
Hey, Manako. What's one you want them to call
Then you are under.
Me? Me drop this guy. Oh, don't poke my Porsche phone. Told us I can be man.
Call your brother.
I say call your brother.
Call your brother. And you, next time you let somebody chop you again, you see. I'm doing my work.
When you what be we am kono ba toso what be we am kono ba toso musu nya wa woni no odiana
Come out! Hey, come out! Hey,
Becky. Woni.
Is this the man? Hey.
Becky, everybody wants you. Becky, everybody wants you. And the son is soon be our home. And the son, we are now.
Mister, you better stop crying. Let's do business.
Stop crying.
It's me that you do part of saying to whom will fear.
What are you? You
will be arrested for accomplice impregnating and abortion. Are you robbing?
Also, play. Wouldn't him what you mean? You do mamma, so I will Friday.
CID Pepe.
CID Pepe. Hannah, let me Cuba. You chimney one after you chimney with him.
Go on.
Oh, Frank, I mean, be a mother.
Die.
And to do John over paying 2 channels. Say then.
There you need chain.
Hey, it's okay.
Hey,
It's okay. I say it's okay.
I'm doing my work.
You better stop. You are harassing his human rights.
So much.
No.
Hey,
Relax.
crazy a fool. And they jump on the sort.
My friend, you are going to be sentenced to one
Your trousers are
cell
mine.
prison.
CID. Etidiai. No. I'm going to see our car. Let me just say, let's
Let's go.
What's up?
Let me take you away. No, let me take him away.
Sinaha. Faithful. And your name and yourself.
Don't touch me.
It won't feel sick with Papa. Oh, but you what to motom? They said that is a motom.
I am CID. I'm inspecting. I'm inspecting. I said I am inspecting.
That's it.
Either says. Either says.
Yes.
Tell him.
Follow him.
When you were new said near my yaso couldn't have him.
That is human
Either
rights.
said. Assassin, I have to. Who made trouble by the
What?
who trouble? Come 100 million. What you so? And I saw the whole fee. Make from me. I was like, I can be them.
You
You better behave yourself. Let's finish.
That Casamian qua.
And I saw Crana war no.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yes.
Obeko, DK.
1,
Day next
2,
and Sanwako, Brand.
3.
But Sanwako cage,
What?
Ufranoko, JSS.
4.
And Sana Sanshua Sam, back on a crowd the same. SS.
I said the SHS free.
Hey, what I want to swap them. How I went to Mr. Flagging? Why we under Pamo? We didn't got us on the Pamo.
Then I'm going.
Go, better go. Better. See how?
Konamoson 10 mate my own dear pen. Konamoson.
I'll come and arrest you. I'm waiting.
We don't body. That Casamian qua.
Me and Beffa with you. See, we didn't pass some as you throw away.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who says 6 match?
Thank you. Thank you.
Who said Crayon?
And what do you know,
Crayon? Do you know Crayon?
Oh, fine now.
What pede? What party for to Fred the case now? See me, pa.
Better choice.
Why can Fred the case about 20? Control maybe in the back. Echo Fred the case.
We are not saying another bunny.
Listen.
My man.
Mausu.
But you never met cinema. They can't have a time. Oh, play at them.
You said I should arrest him.
I said,
Arrest him.
What the Canadian?
why you that?
What the Canadian my way?
At the office.
Mamu say, what be biatu?
Mame break.
Sa akwana wa dia na wo na so so mawu suafo na yenye. Aja dai. Wo do dia mother say dia ma.
No, Kasa.
Let's go.
Hello, viewers. And the women are back. Do you may come for Grandpa 1 TV number. Grandpa TV must say, Mon share, no more subscribe, Mon share, no more like in my game. Mamma, Nick, baby, I'm UK 4, London 4, US 4, a corner doors. Yes, there's a citizen at the Slovenian to me. Moon shut Grandpa 1 TV. That monster
Ghana for Metie for me fancy for nyina na Yeboah mebiem.
Yo, I am Muhammad the share rrested, aka
Hi, this is your girl Beneza Sari. Jama suna Sophia. Obetimi afre me Hannah Johnson. Eno na sinifo nyina edinnim.
So my catch say TV station wa hu na Yeboah wo ho ne Nyankopon no oni wiase. Me se awurade ma mimidin kwaka bebe ono Nyankopon no na no ye den ekoka. Na Yeboah me na mennie ene masamba Grandpa 1 TV.
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 The TV station bako a ewe mremu Nyankopon de amaye. E de ade na wo pa onya. Ye wo pe bia obenya.
E de na wo pese wo ti no wo so. E de America na wo pese wo nya. Say entertainment, football honsem. Sini honsem. E de be say wo pese wo ni ji. Na areho kusunsu ma woni nyi tambia so ofasi woni ji eji na hu say yes woni agi wa ablabo mu dia onua hwe Grandpa 1 TV
say TV no na Yeboah mi gina ha mi wo hobi me de mafutu system no yeden mabo awura ho mabo awura ho etimi fancy fo nyina wo fra adwuma ba say wadi bi awie na say wa mmenya bo modia na tena wakonyam ka wona anya den eto so Bowra YouTube abonten so me say Bowra YouTube abonten so udu na so pe Grandpa 1 TV me say Grandpa 1 TV Bowra hono ma na wa subscribe we ya na wo share bo modin ya na share honhon konkron no share ma obi anya bi otete pressure so me say ba mam say betete mo pressure so they say broken heart and crofo frame say so broken heart nyina so ate what Obia boy rrested the press and swat TV papa also be na Yeboah wo kono Grandpa 1 TV.
Let's share, let's subscribe. Grandpa 1 TV.